and welcome to another edition of the Jacqui Duphraetees show. Yay! Yes, darlings, this is a special edition because I don't think that you below the clockians understand just how much we upper echelonians of Jamaica are intrigued by your culture and your music. And being that I've been to Portmore once and almost died, I'm qualified to do a program called Dancehall Lyrics for Upper Echelonians. And the first song this week will be Bubble Your Body for the Up Top Boss. Here goes. For Upper Echelonians. Lady, use the extra dance lessons you've taken from Lacadco, NDTC, or Ashe to move your body in a circular manner, especially in the waist area, to impress a man from the ghetto who has suspiciously come into possession of money as a result of being a gunman, dancehall artist, or lottery scammer. Thank you for joining me this week on the Jacqui Duphraetees show, and catch me next week where I'll do the classic song called Stab Out the Meat from the artist formerly known as Lady Soul. Bye!